welcome back. You are actually watching us live right here. This is what we call the foyer area of Wisma TV, Angkasa Puri.
Exactly, yeah. This building has been around since what, in the 50s?
Before me, yeah.
Excuse me?
And you too. Okay, before her too.
Yeah. We are actually very, very young, okay?
Yes.
All right. So moving on for our hello on to this afternoon, we are very honored to have our guests to give some tips and give comments for the upcoming budget, which is going to be happening this Friday on the 25th of October 2013. Like we all know, everything is unpredictable because fuel have been going up more or less like every month.
Amongst other things.
Yeah. So let's welcome our guest today, Mr. Yap Ming Hui, who is from the founder and managing director of Whitman Independent Advisor. Welcome to Hello On 2. It's good to have you here, and we're so looking forward to know a lot of things that the prices of all the groceries that go up, skyrocketing.
We got to be prepared.
You got to be prepared, right?
Yes.
Now, Mr. Yap, welcome to the show, right? Please share with us, right, before we start asking for something in Budget 2014. What about Budget 2013? Give us some tips. What can we actually take opportunity of right now before 31st of December?
Yes. Oh, yeah, this is actually a good question. In fact, Budget 2013 actually has offered some benefits to the middle class like us. So, number one, if you are aware, government actually would like to promote Malaysians to save more money through private retirement scheme. So if you were to save through private retirement scheme, you can enjoy up to 3,000 ringgit tax relief, provided you do it before 31st of December. Okay, this year. Okay, and also government would like to actually encourage Malaysians to save for their children's education. So there's just a scheme called SSPN. That you can save up to 6,000 per tax holder. So if the husband saves 6,000, wife saves 6,000, there'll be a total of 12,000 tax relief.
That's good news.
Again, before 31st December. Okay.
31st December.
I see.
So these are the two, I think, major good idea for individual to capitalize on.
Exactly. Cash in instead of complaining. Right. There you go.
And what should the government be considering while tabling for the budget?
Yeah. Of course, I being a taxpayer,
we are too.
Yes, we are taxpayer.
Yeah. 6 million out of 29 million.
So we got to say something to benefit us. So number one, of course, we hope government can actually review the personal income tax rate.
Good idea.
Because in the region, we somehow find ourselves to be paying quite a high tax rate. For example, Malaysia,
I'm feeling
if you are actually earning an income up to 70,000 a year, only, okay, and yet you're paying a rate as high as 19%.
So I don't know enough to
to us is like, to pay 19% for 70,000 income is not high income, it's quite a middle income, but 19% is almost 20% return, 20% tax rate is rather high. So we would suggest government to consider to reduce that tax rate for those middle income people to have more take-home income.
Yeah, Mr. Yap, this is a very much awaited topic. We've got callers already, waiting to ask questions.
Our lines are getting hotter. We have a caller from PJ.
Hi, this is Audrey.
Hi, Audrey.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon. What's the question?
Good afternoon to you and to your panel. I just wanted to make a comment. You see, I'm always amused when I hear people talking about, like the governor of Bank Negara and other authorities on financing. I'm always amused to hear them saying things like, the economy is looking good and things like that. And then, you talk about corporate entities like TNB benefiting from this upward trend in the economy and all that. But for us at the grassroots level, especially the pensioners and people who have fixed incomes, we do not see that kind of it doesn't water down to us. It doesn't. We don't feel it. So I'm really amused when I hear that the economy is doing well and all the figures being shot out at us.
I see. We are actually talking more on
the. I still have to grapple with rising petrol prices. The minute there is a you know, even the whisper of an increase in petrol prices, everything goes up. So my pension remains the same, but I have to manage within that.
I see.
And then you have some more former Prime Ministers, a former.
All right. Okay, thank you, Audrey, for the comment.
Yeah, exactly.
But I guess everybody have their own opinion about the economy and the budget.
That's right.
It's very individual. You can't be precise about something.
Which is why we have the platform onemalaysia.com.
And that's why we have Mr. Yap here too.
Yes. I can only say, just now that we say about the petrol prices keep going up.
Yeah.
And then also when petrol price go up, what goes up not only the petrol price, all the coffee that we drink, the food that we have, cigarettes, everything will go up. It's what we call inflation.
Right.
So I think in life there are two things. One are the things that we cannot control. What cannot control, what government can do. Government also has something they cannot control, which is the world economy.
Okay.
So, but there's something that we can control. So whether you're a pensioner or whether you're income earner,
Okay.
the idea is that we must continue to learn to examine our expenses to see whether those are necessary expenses.
I see.
And number two, to learn how to invest our money. Because Malaysians, we have been very comfortable of like putting money in the bank.
Okay.
You know, there's a lazy way. We should learn.
ESB is good. I can't avoid that.
Okay.
It is very
Well,
good. It's like what,
money
8
in
to
the-
10%, 11%.
Money in the bank
Every
is
year.
better than money in
But
the
no
shop. Whichever shop I go to.
Yeah, but I think we should be lucky and feeling thankful because a lot of stuff in Malaysia are being subsidized, like petrol. We go to Europe, the prices of petrol, even in Japan, is like,
of course.
very, very expensive. It's really hurting the pocket.
Exactly. Now,
So the idea is to become proactive, to educate your own self,
And be thankful.
and to be thankful, and also to invest.
Exactly, yeah.
now, Mr. Yap, I see some very interesting flyer that you have right here on the table. What is it about?
Yeah,
Rising living
yeah.
cost.
Basically, you can see here that
weakening ringgit. Ooh.
there are so many issues that
Tightening
very
property
big issue.
lending.
Yeah.
Stock prices. Okay, so what's
Very
this
well
about?
done. So basically, is that I know that there's going to be a budget table this
Okay.
Friday,
Right.
and we also know that there are so many major issues that people face, especially rising living costs and the stock market fluctuation. So what we hope to do is to do a charity fundraising seminar.
Okay.
We are doing a seminar in aid of Pusat Penjagaan Kanak-Kanak Cacat.
That's good.
Cacat.
That's very
Taman
noble.
Mega. Okay. So all the proceeds of the ticket will be
Right.
donated to this care center. Okay. In the seminar, I will talk about what is the opportunity. Again, we are very proactive people. We have to take action.
Yeah,
We will look
cash
at
in.
what are the opportunities in the budget of 2014. We talk about what happened to Malaysia economy,
Right.
global economy, where are the opportunities. We want to examine some of the hottest investment product
Right.
to see whether is it in it for you. Okay?
Then
Yeah.
how can people attend, and can you also tell us about the GST from your personal point of view?
Yeah. Okay. If you are interested to attend this event, you can
Right.
go to our website www.yapminghui.com.
Right.
Yeah. So you know my view about GST, yeah?
Exactly.
Which is a very hot subject now. Now I must say, hot subject, hot and big subject.
Yeah.
Because GST, I think that is something good for government.
Right.
Because it helps government to collect more money
Okay.
and reduce their debt. Okay.
Bad
But
for my pocket and yours.
Yeah,
Yeah,
but for the rakyat, it may not be too good because the rakyat may need to pay for whatever they consume.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Does this come out to like 15% now? Or the service tax?
No, GST is a
But you
new
can claim
tax
back,
system
right?
that is going to replace the current service tax and sales tax system.
Yeah,
Right.
each level they're gonna tax.
Yeah, each level gonna tax.
But they have the way of returning it through input tax and all
Yes.
that. So,
So the idea is that most likely government may impose on this new GST tax, maybe 4% or 5%, who knows? Okay.
Right.
But the point is, most likely government will also reduce the personal income tax rate. Okay. So
Okay.
that you get some extra disposable income to cope with whatever
Balance it out.
expenses that you have. Yeah. Yes.
I see. Now, of course, we have a caller right here, right now, as she
Okay.
mentioned earlier on. Hot topic. So let's take this call. Hi. Good afternoon.
Hi.
Hi.
Hello, Anju. Hi.
Hi. Hello.
I have, first of all, I'd like to say something on the budget 2014.
Please do.
I hope the government can really consider all factors surrounding the nation before tabling the budget. On higher cost of living nowadays, higher house pricing nowadays, employment in the country and so on, and other sectors that they must take a close look is for our safety and security. So I have a question too for Ms. Yap. Okay, I'm married with 2 young children. My husband and we earn about 5,000 ringgit per month. How will the GST implementation impact my family? What is your view on that?
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay.
Very practical
That's all.
question.
Yes.
She's very
Thank you.
smart. She's
Yeah.
taking the opportunity to get a.
Yeah. She speaks as
That's
if
what
she
the
knows
show's
that
about.
GST is going to come in this budget.
Yeah.
So I think
So, yeah.
for middle income like you, I think it's very important for you to be prepared for the GST. Because if you to continue to spend like usual, you will end up consume a lot. You end up consume more things, and then there'll be inflation that you pay more high price, and then there'll be also GST that you pay. So you end up becoming a loser. So to be a winner, what you need to do now is to examine your expenses item, and then also to figure out how do you take the saving from the tax and then invest those savings. Then you can be a
Right.
winner. So
Alright.
stop thinking about all those negative things which are outside of control. Focus on what you can do, and you can become a winner.
Jay, okay.
Yes.
20-second advice.
20-second advice. So in fact, I would like to say my wish.
Please do.
So my wish for this budget year is that I hope that we'll be able to actually get some tax relief for those people who pay for financial planning advisory fee service. So I think that will help more people to encourage them to get professional advice to
Right.
optimize their money.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
All right.
Woo.
Thank you very much, Mr.
Really?
Yap,
You
for
really
being
did it
with
in
us.
20 seconds. Thank you.
And definitely, there's so many questions I want to ask. And I
Exactly.
didn't get a chance to ask for my own personal
Yeah,
tip.
our own financial questions, right? Okay,
All
so
right.
thank you. Thank
Okay.
you. So there you go, right? That was Yap Ming Hui.
Yeah, the founder and managing director of Whitman Independent Advisor, for being with us today.
Thank you for spending your time. So there you go, right? The good side about this is the GST. Government has more money.
Hopefully, they help us. You. Okay, let's go to our breaker.
Take a break
Yeah.
and let's check out the Tanjung Heritage Art Competition.